Divorce is undeniably one of the most stressful events anyone can experience. While many divorces are resolved amicably, there are situations where the process can turn particularly contentious and complex. Here, we explore some of the worst-case scenarios in divorce law that individuals might face. 1. High-conflict custody battles. One of the most distressing aspects of a divorce can be a high-conflict custody battle. When parents cannot agree on the custody arrangement of their children, it often leads to a prolonged legal fight. The worst-case scenarios include parental alienation. One parent may attempt to turn the children against the other parent. False accusations. Allegations of abuse or neglect can be falsely made to gain advantage in custody decisions. Court-appointed evaluations. The involvement of custody evaluators, guardians ad litem, and extensive psychological evaluations can be invasive and stressful. 2. Financial ruin. Divorces can be financially devastating, especially if one party contests the divorce or disputes arise over the division of assets and debts. Potential financial pitfalls include high legal fees. Protracted legal battles can rack up tens of thousands of dollars in attorney fees. Unfavorable settlements. One party may end up with an unequal share of assets or significant spousal support obligations. Hidden assets. If one spouse hides assets, it can lead to lengthy legal battles to uncover these resources. 3. Impact on business. For business owners, divorce can pose unique challenges, potentially threatening the viability of the business. Worst-case scenarios feature forced sale of business. To satisfy the property division, a business might have to be sold or divided. Operational disruption. The emotional and financial strain can disrupt daily business operations. Loss of control. To settle financial disputes, one spouse might lose a controlling interest in the business. 4. Emotional and psychological trauma. Divorce can take a significant emotional and psychological toll on all parties involved, especially when disputes become heated. The fallout can include chronic stress and anxiety. Lingering court battles contribute to prolonged periods of stress. Impact on children. Children may suffer from anxiety, depression, or behavioral issues as a result of the conflict. Mental health issues. Prolonged strains can lead to serious mental health issues like depression or PTSD. 5. Lengthy legal proceedings. In worst-case scenarios, divorce proceedings can be dragged over many years due to ongoing disputes or legal hurdles. This prolonged process results in delayed resolution. Parties remain in limbo, unable to move forward with their lives. Escalating costs. The longer the process, the higher the legal fees and related costs. Prolonged emotional strain. Long-lasting court cases can cause extended emotional trauma for everyone involved. 6. Restraining orders and domestic violence. In cases involving allegations of abuse or domestic violence, things can become extremely complicated and dangerous. Scenarios include restraining orders. Accusations of abuse can lead to emergency restraining orders, affecting child custody and living arrangements. False allegations. Fabricated claims of domestic violence can be used to manipulate custody or asset division.